This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Well, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So, the new RZ 550e F Sport did it in 4.4 seconds. Spec is 4.4 also, so great. The car doesn't weigh that much, and it has, well, only 408 horsepower. Some of the other cars here, they have actually more horsepower, but they're also heavier. So 4.4 is actually a quite decent time. And compared to some other cars here, you see Model Y longer. This is pre-Uniper, but it should be roughly the same. That was 4.8 seconds. And then, of course, if you look at some performance, then it's further up here. But okay, they're also more expensive. No, actually, well, that's the thing. Yeah, this car is more expensive. It costs over 800,000 NOK. But okay, whatever. Down here, that's the old Lexus RZ 450e. That was around 5 seconds, but actually on spec it was 5.6. And then it was slightly lighter, but only 313 horsepower. And then further down the list here, you also see here, that was the Toyota BZ4X, the old version. Not sure if the new one has any upgrade, but that was 6.9 seconds roughly, right on par with spec. So I'd say that actually 4.4 seconds, it's decent. It has a nice punch. And when it comes to noise, okay, they did some improvement over the previous version. And you can kind of see it here because the previous version had 18-inch wheels, but it's slightly different, Yokohama versus Dunlop. And it was 66 decibel average. And now with the 20-inch wheels, you also get 66 decibel average. So I would say that maybe a wild guess, if you had 18-inch wheels here, if it fits, versus the brake calipers and so on, maybe we will be down to around 65 decibel, but I don't expect like 62 decibel average. But okay, not the quietest car in the class. You see, we have one Maybach that was kind of special, but like the ES90 I tested recently, that was 63 decibel average. So yeah, I mean, it's still a fairly quiet car here, but nowadays you see even the MGS5 and the Renault Scenic and some of the Enyaq Coupe and these, there are lots of cars here with actually the same or roughly the same noise levels, even better, and they're also not that expensive. So I mean, overall, yes, the car performs well, nice, quiet, quick. Yeah, and of course we have the yoke wheel here. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.